dead nuts.
Hang on! We're rounding the cape! I want everybody here! Be careful!
Komt water binnen!
Hè?
Komt water binnen!
Let's clear in France, in Cherbourg. Let's pay the harbor fee. We're at ATT, that's the duck. I don't know how much it costs, but I hope it's cheaper.
Ja, dat er naar de duurste zitten.
Blues. Excuse me, what?
We got 2 bags of trash in 2 days.
So that's not too bad. 1 bag of trash a day. So yeah, with 6 people.
Do you see any lobsters? Oh, that's a fish. What is it?
And that's, I don't know, I think it's a sea bass. So we just paid. It was more expensive because we're in season now. And we pay 68 euros. Almost 70 bucks for 1 night. Shit.
You go to a hotel here.
TV!
Woo! So everyone is getting the boat ready. Some more people are making some nice lunch. Natalie is making banana bread. Some people do nothing. Phoebe cleaned the whole deck. Yeah, we're also doing some laundry. We're gonna clean it inside. We're gonna chill today. Just here, I think we're gonna play some games.
Jenga.
Tomorrow we're gonna leave early in the morning. We already paid for the harbor fee, so we're almost ready.
Yeah, she's gonna work.
Good morning, it's day 4. We're leaving Cherbourg in a little bit, getting ready for the Bay of Biscay. The weather is quite nice today, there's not a lot of wind. It's sunny, everybody's ready, the boat is ready. Let's go. Are you ready, Captain?
Yeah, we're almost ready. We're about to leave. We have, I think, 5 more minutes, and then we need to go. I had a really bad cold yesterday, so I'm really a little bit sick. But yeah, we need to push it, and we're gonna go for it. So yeah, let's do it. My throat is really fucked up. I cannot say anything. So they're probably really happy because I cannot shout anymore.
Yeah, happy
But
as
I will make
happy as a little egg. Yeah?
Zijn we los?
Ik ben los.
So we're ready, guys. We're on the move. We're getting out of Cherbourg right now. It's quite a big, busy harbor. Some big old boats. Everybody is excited. Everybody is stoked. We got some nice sailing in a bit, I think. So there's a bit more wind than forecasted. Right now we got it straight ahead. But it's gonna go down in a few hours. We still got a little bit of current against us. We want to have it with us when we round the cape here. So I think it was pretty good timing that we left right now. And yeah, just a little bit more to get out of the harbor. There are a few entrances that we have to get out to. It's a pretty good protected harbor. And yeah, we're almost out.
Jongens,
Ik ben klaar.
Heel even met die boot.
heel even met die boot. Hij heeft zijn zo al uit.
Je bent nu iets van je koers af, hè?
Wat?
Je bent nu van je koers af.
Verder, verder, verder. Stop!
Stop.
Aan!
Ja, aan.
We've got a few reefs in. We got 17 knots, sometimes 19.
20 knots of wind, 21.
21?
Yeah.
Deze kant gereed.
Oké.
Klaar. Ja.
Ready? 3, 2, 3, ja, los, aan. Kijk uit, aan. Lekker Hardy, sneller, harder. Klein beetje nog, klein paar metertjes maken. Oh, hoor. Dan moet ik ook even zo...
We're going 10 knots.
En dan... So, we go. Hang on, we're rounding the cape. I want everybody here. Be careful.
What's the boat speed? 7, boat speed.
Yeah. 12.6.
Hou je vast. Arie, ik wil het horen.
Komt water binnen!
Hè?
Komt water binnen!
Oké, stuurboord. Juist, goed. Goed.
So that was an intense ride.
It was intense.
It was pretty intense. Waves from the currents, wind from around the cape, but we rounded it right now, so we're on course. Everybody is good. We're all lined up, and the wind died down.
Out of this shit. Hey, but guys, this is where you catch tuna, hè?
Ja, zo.
This is the fucking spot, hè?
The tunas, baby!
Die wil ik uit hebben. Want dit is de stroming waar alles samenkomt.
So the fishing lines are out, ready to get some tuna. We can see Alderney there.
With the big golf course on it. Look at the current here, guys. It's flat off the current.
So with the big waves from before, some water came into the boat. Through this window there was some water here on the sofa and on the floor. I already cleaned it. And I just went to the front in the main cabin. And there's some water here as well. It's also salty. It came from this window. So we have to tighten the bolts a little bit more, so I'm gonna clean it now. Me and Natalie made empanadas last night. We made some vegan for her and some others with meat for us. Eating pretty healthy so far. We still got a lot of stuff left.
Look, guys! This is like a pretty big... They're eating, eh, guys? They're fishing. Oh, got that one. Oh. Yeah! More coming in the back. More coming in the back. That's a big one, dude. Oh, there was a really big group, eh?
So the first knife shift on our way to Biscay. It's me and Adriano again. Phoebe is playing some games. We are changing up the night shifts a little bit. We're going in pairs of 2. So it's me and Adriano, it's Phoebe and Jules, and it's Rob and Natalie. So we're gonna do this so we can be able to sleep a little bit more. Yeah, we got an easy one tonight, finishing at 10, maybe 11, and then we can sleep for 8 hours, so that's a good thing. We are on our way to Brest, 15 hours until we're there, so we're gonna be there tomorrow. And yeah, it's easy sailing, we're motor sailing. We got the current against us, so we might put it a little bit down the engine when the current is with us. But yeah, so far so good. It's not very busy on the water. We got a fishing ship who's putting some lobster pots. So we've started our journey crossing the Biscay, Gulf of Biscay. We've got the wind from the back, but there's not a lot of wind at the moment. So guess what we're gonna do? Guys, I'm preparing the Jenniker.
Wie staat er op de lijn?
Wie is nog, hè?
Hij voegt niet aan! Voegt niet aan! Ja, klaar! Kan jij die dek aandraaien?
Dek aandraaien!
Wat?
Dek aandraaien!
Niet te ver, Rob! Wat heb je met stuur gedaan? Kom! They're playing with the bow. Okay guys, we have dolphins like again. This never bores, huh? Go for it, buddy.
Maybe they are eating your tuna.
Yeah, probably.
What an incredible journey crossing the Bay of Biscay. This trip has been nothing short of amazing, filled with unforgettable moments and breathtaking encounters. One of the highlights was definitely our encounters with dolphins. Watching them glide effortlessly through the water alongside our boat was pure magic. And let's not forget the thrill of catching tuna, fresh, delicious, and a true reward for our efforts. We were blessed with beautiful weather for most of our journey. The sun was shining, the sea was calm, and everything seemed perfect. But as we know, adventures always come with their challenges. The last night was a real test of our endurance. The wind picked up, gusting up to 30 knots, and the waves grew to a daunting 4 meters high. Navigating through the night without being able to see the waves was nerve-wracking, to say the least. It was a wild ride, but we made it through. We were not able to go to A Coruña. There was a depression around Cape Finisterre, forcing us to change our course. Instead, we decided to go to Gijón. It turned out to be a perfect destination, offering us a safe haven and a new destination to explore. Thank you for all the following along on this incredible journey. Your support and enthusiasm mean the world to us. Stay tuned for more adventures and stories from the sea. Until next time.